Hello everyone. Today I wanna show you GPT to Midi. What is GPT to Midi? The software converts the text from prompts from GPT or Chat GPT, another AI platform, via text, and then converts the text in the my file. Okay, make music notes from text to MIDI file. First, we can see here the name of genre of music. For example, techno. You can see the text on the text box, but if you like, you can change the name here. For example, deep house, and then key, a default key, and then BPM, choose your BPM of your music you like, house music, about 124, 44, and then about the duration of song in minutes. Here can 2 minutes, and then click on the button for generate prompt. Okay, this is Chat GPT. You can paste the text, the prompt, and then send. You can wait. Channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4, channel 5, channel 6, channel 7, 8. Okay. Copy the code, channel 1, and then paste. Copy the code, channel 2, paste. Copy the code, channel 3, paste. Copy the code, paste. Channel 5, copy, paste. Channel 6, copy and paste. Channel 7, paste. Channel 8, paste. Okay, now never change this value, and then save MIDI file. With this button you create the MIDI file from 124 BPM and 44 signature. Okay, ahora, now here we can press the button to save the MIDI file on the PC. Desktop, I go to my desktop. Here the name of the file, song from GPT, for example, and then save the file. Okay, now you can open your favorite DAW or MIDI management software, and here I use Reason Station. I import here the MIDI file from Reason Station. You can see the channels 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, but the song we create Chat GPT don't make about the problem from some duration in minutes. For example, here you can see 2 minutes of song, but the prompt generator from Chat GPT never make real minutes you can wish. This is a problem for now, but the notes you can see here, ChatGPT generates 8 channels and notes. Okay, we can play here for listen the music. You can take the notes and make your song, change the instruments, add beats or another channels, check it out. Okay, this is the music generated by Chat GPT. And here you can see the tempo 124. Okay, 124. Okay, that is the software making for me. The software you can take the code from GitHub. In the description of this video you can see the link to download the software. Okay, bye bye. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.